Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a simple dried flower arrangement where Floral trends chic new ways to bring the outside into your home. The first thing that you need to do is to get your favorite vessel and find the different earthy colors of dried flowers. Put the floral foam inside the vessel so that you can arrange the flowers easily. Then cut the excess foam. Dried flowers were a big trend back in 1980s, and although they fell out of favor in the early 2000s, they are back into 2021 and up to this moment. And this time they are super stylish and beautiful. Beautiful blooms are an exquisite and easy way to add life and color into your interiors. The top floral trends in 2021 and up to this moment are an exciting blend of juxtapositions, bold and bright versus neutrals with minimal styling. The first trend we can expect to see in 2022 is the shift toward neutral shades with soft color palettes comprised of subtle tonal differences, says Lucia Pola, the marketing manager at Serenity Flowers. As people are increasingly recognizing the need for sustainability and organic produce, we've seen that floral trends are beginning to follow suit, with increased the demand for natural, earthier tones. Neo Mint is a color that trend forecaster would dominate interiors in 2021 and up to this moment, and is described as an oxygenating fresh tone. Dried flower arrangements make a sweet statement all year long. Their rustic quality and stunning texture make them a especially lovely accent for the fall. And we scored the market for contemporary florists innovating on the tried and true. These florals are just as beautiful as their fresh counterparts and don't require going fox but are virtually maintenance free. Simply pop them in a favorite vessel and admire them for months or even years to come. When it comes to the arranging of the flowers, simplicity is going to be the key in floral trends. From 2021 and up to this moment, design trends show an increasing demand for stripped back, minimalist compositions. So if you are doing your own arrangements, keep it simple and you won't go far wrong. Just balance it with your neutral or earth tone color of your interior and you won't let yourself disappoint. There are so many flower arrangements that you can find online. Just search for those beautiful designs, and if you want some interior decors that could fix or fit your home interior decorations, I will just leave the link down below in my description box so that you can check our online store or Instagram where we can sell or where we can share to you any designs or any interior decorations that could help you in designing your home. And if you find this video useful, just click the subscription and hit the bell button so that you can be updated into my next video when it comes to interior designing and DIY